A web fax is a utility that allows you to virtually manage fax communications without the need of a fax machine. You can send faxes from the fax upload tool. Any document on your PC can be uploaded and sent as an analog fax to any other fax number. Customers can send you faxes by dialing your web fax number from their fax machine. From Control Panel, you can view and download your received faxes in multiple formats.
Hi, this is Kurt Bowman from Unitel, and this is a quick tutorial on how to use your e-fax. So if you have a document that you want to fax to somebody, if you have a printer driver installed on a Windows computer, this is all you would do. You'd find your document that you have right here. You're going to go ahead and open it, and then you're going to print it. And then in your printer, you're going to have a driver for your e-fax. You're going to go down, add, and upload new fax. And then you're just going to hit the print button. And from here, what you're going to do is this. You're going to enter the number that you want to fax it to. And then you will just hit send. You can also do a cover sheet, or you can look at the logs. You can change the account number that you're sending it from. But for right now, just hit send. And it will say fax file uploaded successfully. To check on your e-faxes, they will be sent to an email. So we can go ahead and check real quick that this one was sent as we pull this up. We're going to go down, customer service, and we can see it being sent right here. And there is our file that was sent through e-fax. Thank you very much. Have a great day.